I'm Jennifer and I'm back with a new video for you today. So data analytics has truly given us unique insights and is changing the way we look at data. Data analysts not only use their statistical and programming skills to collect, analyze, interpret and visualize large data sets, but they are also using these learnings to open up new doors to several different career paths. As we know today, the global supply chain is already undergoing major transformation enabled by big data and advanced technologies. And this brings us to the role of a supply chain analyst, which is a solid career choice today. It typically comes with high salaries, job satisfaction, and the potential to move up in the organization quickly. So if you're looking for a stable career and want to learn skills that will be needed for the years to come, then this makes it the right time for you to make a career transition from a data analyst to a supply chain analyst. A supply chain analyst has the important role of planning and carrying out large-scale projects. They collect data and analyze it in order to make improvements to the supply chain system. Having been a data analyst, this will align extremely well with all your strengths. Supply chain analysts also work to promote top-notch performances from workers and lower the cost of items used in a project. As a supply chain analyst, these are the broad responsibilities that you will be expected to fulfill. Gathering and analyzing data related to cost, demand, and transportation. Planning and implementation supply chain optimization projects, collaborating with IT professionals and other team members to implement effective systems, discovering the best mode and timing for the transportation. Now, as a young supply chain analyst with prior data analytics experience, there are some useful lessons that can come in handy while making your career transition. And here's exactly where your skills and strengths from your previous stint will come in handy. Improved management. Supply chain analysts will also require finding the right insights to be both time and cost effective, which data analytics can help in. Accuracy. One of the biggest benefits of being a data analyst is that you can easily analyze large or diverse sets of data with greater efficiency. Better performances and lesser cost. Machine learning and data analytical tools help collaborate with large logistical networks. This will help in reducing the risk and also make the supply chain way more effective. Selling newer products. When a business launches a new product, machine learning can forecast the demand and predict the sales for it. The statistical modes will help in advanced demand forecasting, and that also takes into consideration several cost factors available in the market. Thus, as a supply chain analyst, there will be a need for highly data-driven solutions, emphasizing on the use of simulation models, data validation, and analytics for correcting problems and improving operations in a company. If that's not all, we'll show you the various applications of data science in supply chain. Furthermore, there are various emerging skills that will come in handy as you make the shift from data analyst to supply chain analytics. Transportation management, systems management, third-party logistics, supply chain coordination, and much more.
To gain a deeper understanding of the concepts, tools, and practices used in supply chain, you can check out the All-CUNY Certificate Program in Supply Chain Management. The core lectures in the program will be delivered by top-rated SPJIMR faculty, and you will also get industry exposure by getting to work on a live industry project. Not just this, you can also get certified by SPJIMR, opt for the SPJIMR Executive Alumni status, and stand a chance to interview with Ecom Express for a full-time job. You can find the link in the description below.
The skills required to excel in this field. You should possess various technical skills like that of project management, data analytics, mathematical skills, and inventory management skills. On the soft skills side, you should be competent in planning, problem solving, communication, and teamwork. Now, how can you become a supply chain analyst? Well, so if you're wondering how to start your career as a supply chain analyst, don't worry, we've got you covered. Having a master's in data analytics, operations, or similar field will undoubtedly give you an upper edge while making a career transition. But you can also pursue professional certification courses, as it will help show potential employers your commitment to a career in supply chain analysis and your interest in gaining deeper insights in this field.
The curriculum in the All Chimney Certificate Program in Supply Chain Management has been meticulously designed by SVJ IMR and All Chimney to suit the evolving needs of the industry and the job market. So, with this program, you know you will be a strong candidate for the most in-demand and high-paying roles in this industry.
These are some of the major job profiles available for a supply chain analyst: a materials analyst, warehouse manager, purchase manager, demand planning analyst, and so much more. Salary. So, an early career in a data analyst with 1 to 4 years of experience earns an average of 4.4 lakhs annually, while the average starting salary for a supply chain manager is rupees 8.3 lakhs. And as you climb up the ladder in the field of supply chain and gain more and more experience, so will your salary start growing by leaps and bounds as well. So if you're someone who shies away from math and spreadsheets, then you might find it a little frustrating to excel in this role. So read up on the skills that you need to have for this role. Supply chain analyst is a very well-rounded career. So if you're someone who enjoys working in a team while also solving complicated problems, then this could be a great career fit for you. If you'd like to know more about our All Chimney courses to help launch your career, check it out in the link below.